everyone, in today's video I will tell you about the game mode in your device OnePlus Nord N300. So in this device, if you want to enable the game mode or if you want to use the game mode, you can do it by following a few easy steps as I will tell you in this video. So before we move toward the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now to enable or use the game mode, follow the steps, watch the video till end and you will learn how you can do it. Let's watch the video.